Hey, what's up, guys? This is Rex Liner Century. If you have like the fuel pressure low, it won't start in the morning, and you have to jump like fresh on the pedal to make it run. So the problem could be this part right here. Okay, called check valve. Frame, manual frame check valve, and only thing you need to buy is the part right here on the top. It's around $10, like this. Okay, that's the main thing I concern. Like it doesn't have pressure to force the fuel into the fuel filter. So the first thing you need to do is change this real quick. Okay, you clean with this part cleaner for the adapter right here. It's really oily here, and you can reuse it and put a new one in. Okay, I clean it. Install a new part in. Ready to start. For the safety, you got to put the Teflon around the thread, above one, here and here, just to prevent leaking. Okay, ready to install right now. Wow, this job you're gonna need this kind of tool. Okay, now connect the hose. So another thing you need to pay attention is this hose right here. Okay, you gotta clean it. If it's stuck dirt inside, it blocking the air coming inside the tank. So just clean, crawl under and spray it to make it clean on the bottom. This small problem which cause some people, they don't know, they think it's a fuel pump and they play the whole thing, costs over $1,000. So you gotta clean it first before you do anything else bigger. So that a problem, could be a problem. So this could be a problem, and could be the fuel filter, clogged, dirty. So that only three things that you need to do when you have low pressure on fuel. Okay, just before you do anything like fuel pump or anything bigger. Okay, guys. So that's what I shared to you. Save your money. Have you